Okay, so here we have the earth box planting pot, and my husband is so kind. He wants to put the soil back in so that you can see how it works. So we will see. We already put the soil, the planting mix, but. We want to show you the whole process. So we take a couple of minutes to empty the pot and refill it just to show how it works. It's quite interesting. And this place has a lot of sunshine. And you can see here, this is under the orange tree, and here we have some room here. Now you can see this is the earth pot. It's a quite interesting and complicated design. And you fill in the water here, and there is something under, so the water can be inside, and it's not, you see, the water is filled in. We are not wasting water, we will use it. And this is a real use for demo, not for demo. This is a use for demo. Okay, we are filling in the water. You can see. See, the water is coming up, and when there is too much, there is an overflow. Is there an overflow? Yeah, there is an overflow of it. 哎，我没看到那个 overflow。
还没有出来，我就盯着这。
Yeah, there is an overflow. So we fix it every time we put in the soil in. And then put the little seed in. 这个为什么放这个黑色的？它可以。Yeah. So here we put a piece of black plastic, so it will not get dried. And when the temperature is hot, it evaporates, and the water drop will come to the side. And the side, you put some organic fertilizer. So from the cover goes to the side, because there is water drops from the side goes down. On this side, there are fertilizer, and it's a complete recycling or cycling, circulating fertilizers there, circulating living environment, biological environment. That's so interesting. 这个是什么东西？ This is zucchini. Yeah, zucchini. We can make ratatouille. 哦，这太好玩了。Okay, so we are planting these two little tomato into this planter. And first, we need pH stabilizer. Dolomite from the Italian place. Dolomite. Okay. 哦，你不用和一下。整个都放进去。So we put it completely. Wow. Et après, mix it. 你的袜子不是贝尔，你的袜子。那个，你说那个肥料 fertilizer 在哪边？这个是 potting mix。
现在fertilizer。
下面是轱辘的啊，这个挺厉害的啊。Dolomite 是 fertilizer 吗？这个不是。
这个就是 fertilizer。
哦，这个是 fertilizer。This is fertilizer。放这么多。这个白的东西是什么呀？出来了。My God，是放这么多。
错了。
它的 bedding。要不要放中间一点儿？
No。
故意的。
对，是故意。
beef steak.
No.
Heirloom. Ace tomato. Champignon. No, champion. Champion tomato. 完了。完了吗？啊，西都，你那里不用浇水。
有。
OK。哦，对，中午做的。西都，